Nowadays, mosque garden concept is very nice because if you don't have much space for garden, then now you can use the mosque garden concept because keeping mosque indoor is very carefree as it doesn't need much moisture or sunlight and obviously no fertilizer. Might is the surface a couple of times week to keep the mosses. After you mist it, replace the top on the container, leaving a small amount of space for air to exchange. Moss care indoor include giving the container the right amount of light. A window with about 2 hours of morning light is ideal if you have one. If not, place the container in the sun for a couple of hours first things in the day. Then move it to bright spot of the direct sunlight. Alternately, you can grow your indoor mouse garden on a desk with the fluorescent lamp about 12 inches above the container.